Android Studio. Make the button interactive. Show message when button is clicked. 1. Call Set Content View. Open the main activity.kt file. After calling Set Content View, add the this code to the onCreate method. The FindViewById method finds the button in the layout. Art.id.button is the button's resource ID, which is the button's unique identifier. The code saves a reference to the button object in a variable named rollButton, instead of saving the button object itself. 2. Verify import statement. Verify that Android Studio automatically added an import statement for button. Note that there are now 3 import statements, and the third statement is added automatically. Next, you need to associate the code with the button to execute code when the button is clicked. 3. rollButton object. A click listener is some code that perform actions when a click or click occurs. The click listener here is used to listen for the user's click on the button. Use the rollButton object and call the setOnClickListener method to set a click listener for it. Instead of using parentheses after the method name, you will actually be using curly braces following the method name. This is a special syntax for declaring lambdas. During typing, Android Studio may display several suggestions. In this example, select the setOnClickListener option. 4. Create a toast. In curly brackets, you can state what the button should do when you click it. Now you can have your app show toast, which is a short message displayed to the user. Create a toast containing the text dice rolled by calling toast.makeText. Then, tell the toast to show itself by calling the show method. 5. Run the application. Run the application and click the roll button. A message box message will pop up at the bottom of the screen, and it will disappear soon. Update text view when button is clicked. 1. Activity_main.xml. Go back to activity_main.xml. Click on text view. Note that the ID is text view. 2. mainActivity.kt. Open mainActivity.kt. Delete the line of code used to create and display the toast. Use FindViewById to find the text view in the layout using the text view's ID and store a reference to it. Create a new variable in it called ResultTextView to store the text view. 3. Set ResultTextView. Set the text on ResultTextView to quoted 6. Setting this explicitly means that the text view currently always displays 6. You need to add code to roll the dice and display a different value on the next mission. Run the application. Click the button. It should update the text view to 6.